Yeah, morning everyone. And it's April 9. Time check. It's 11:50. Time check. It's already 12:43. Yeah, and we're now traveling to our destination. Papunta na po tayo, guys, sa ating Terminal 3. Papunta na tayo. Ayan guys, we're now inside the Cathay Pacific Terminal 3. Ayan guys, we're checking now our flight destination. Medyo maaga tayo, no? Dumating sa airport. Time check, it's already 1 o'clock. So, mag-open yung counter is around 1:45 pa. So, medyo maaga, no? But, tingnan natin yung iba pa nating magagawa ngayon. Yeah, right now, okay na kami. Time check, it's 1:52. Yeah, right now I'm here at the boarding. Thank you, Zane. Yan si Zane na mabait.
So, sir, yung seat nyo po kayo, currently po naka 60 Foxtrot, it's middle seat. May preferred seat po ba kayo?
Window side, if possible.
Window side, okay.
Yeah. Ayan guys, I have my, ano na ngayon, tapos na ako nag-boarding. I've got my boarding pass. Yan guys, nandito na ako ngayon sa, we're going inside the immigration. Ayan, nakalinya na kami. Yan, welcome back guys. Nakalampas lang natin sa Bureau of Immigration. Doon yung unang tapak. Meron na tayo. So, right now, I'm going to the... Okay na tayo sa Bureau of Immigration. Mabilis lang naman, no? Mga... And guys, nakalampas na tayo sa X-ray. And... tayo sa... Okay. We're here inside the boarding gates. Gate number 109 ako. So, let's see. Excited na papuntang China. Yan guys, time check, it's already 3 o'clock. Ayan yung tatlado na sasakyan ko. And that's our plane, Cathay Pacific. Nandito na siya sa may, nakapark. So, we're going na later. Your new and family assignment. And guys, boarding kami. Thank you, Shelly. And guys, I'm here with my kidnap. So first I have to get the English.
Beef fries.
Yeah. What's that?
Beef.
Breakfast?
Yes.
Hi. Yes, coffee.
Coffee later.
Guys, our breakfast. Yan guys, makikita nyo kung gaano kalaki yung Hong Kong airport. Grabe. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ako. But let's try to see. So, meron na tayo. Ayan na ang ating 954 Hong Kong to Qingdao Gate 43. Okay. Tingnan natin. Gate Hong Kong. So, ito tayo sa launch nila. Ayan guys, dumating na yung aeroplano namin na sasakyan. Makikita mo. Ayun yung airplane na sasakyan namin. Ayan. Ayan yung boarding gate namin. Okay. Tapos, ito na kami dito. Oh, look. Oh, diba? Ayan. So, yan. Na kami. Linya na kami. Okay? Tapos iba-vlog ko na lang pagpapasok na. Bye guys. See you in China.
Thanks so much. Welcome you on board. Thank
Ni
you.
hao
Welcome you
ma.
the whole family. We'll be on this way, please.
39.
Thank you. Hello, welcome on board on the outside. Wow.
39E. Hello.
How are you?
Say hi to my vlog. 39E. So, yan guys. I'm going now to China. So, ito tao. Dito ako sa pinakaharap. Ito yung look. This is my leg room. So, masyadong malaki. Yan. Here you go. 3 hours ang tatakbuhin namin. 3 hours and a half para makapunta na kami ng China. So, tingnan natin kung ano yun. Okay? Sige, bye. See you China. Alright, we arrived in China. So China. Hi guys, andito tayo sa hotel. Ito yung hotel namin. Ayan yung hotel namin. Ito. Very nice. Na? Wow! What a wow! Ang ganda!
So,
when we will pick you up at
Hi guys, room tour muna tayo. Ito po yung room namin. Ito yung view. So, napakaganda. Para kaming nasa ano. Yan yung room namin. Masyadong malaki. And, yan, room tour na tayo. And this is our room. Yan, so much big. Malaki po siya. Okay. So, yan yung mga kama. You know. Tapos papasok kami sa CR. Ito yung yan. Wow! Luxurious. Ganda. Good morning guys! Day 2 ngayon ng ating vlog. It's our second day here in China. Makikita nyo yung aming nasa likod. So ito yung view. At ngayon is dito kami sa hotel. Paalis pa lang, no? Papunta kami ng planta ng Luton Sinotech. Yan, good morning guys. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Sinotech plant. So kasama ko si Sir Dwight, Sir Al. Yan. So, ito yung mga attachment. We have the Sandy.
Have you packed your bags?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning, sir. Good morning. Sir Jack. Yan, hi guys. Nandito ako ngayon sa parang mall nila. Yan, nakikita mo, dami-daming to tag 8 toothpick nila, 8 pesos lang. This scrub nila, 8 pesos lang din. And we have ito, nalagyan ng sabon. Meron tayong so yan. We're here at the factory. So, sama namin yung nakamayari. Sir Zhang. Look at their house. guys, yung factory nila, makikita mo, ng Luton Sinotech. Grabe. Lahat ng robotic na lahat, yung nag-welding robot na. So, yan yung pinaka-may-ari, yung kausap ni Sir Al.
Yes, that's the son of.
Guys, dito na naman kami. Lunchtime. Ito kami kasama nila, Sir John. So, ito yung restaurant namin. Look, later! Sobra to. No.
如果说想不我自己都找不着。这是上网找的。
Kaya lang para kung naliligaw. Ito lang kung nasaan ako. But let's see. Super lamig. So ganito siya itsura ng China kapag gabi na. Himig. Alright guys, ang sarap ng pagkain namin. We have a lot of foods here. We have crayfish.
还好现在是这边的，不是这边的。他问你小叮咚是什么意思？
Ayan guys, good morning. This is our third day for China. Ayan, papunta na naman kami sa planta ng Sinotech and pang 3 araw na namin to. So, yan po yung violet. So, pababa na ako ng hotel. I already changed my clothes. So, yan po. Good morning. Dito na kami ngayon. Third day of China. Sama ko Sir Al. Yan. Dito kami sa hotel. Pauwi na kami. Ito na yung service namin. Okay, Mr. John. Yeah. Mr. John. Say hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you? Sandy.
Yeah, fine.
Morning.
Morning.
How are you, my friend? I'm great. My family is watching you.
So, yun po. Yun yung sumundo sa amin. So, mamaya na. Sakyan. Bye. Hi guys. Ayan na naman. Dito na naman kami sa another factory. Dito sa China. Which is Hainan. So, kita nyo mga skid loader naman sa kanila. We have different kind of skid loaders. Guys, we're now in another factory. Ito naman yung sa mga tractor. Makikita mo nakalagay din. Tapos dito kami ngayon. We'll show you something. Ayan, kita nyo. It's day 3 of our tour. Ayan. We have tractors. Video tayo. Yan guys, this is John, my friend. And kasama namin. Say hi.
Hi, hello.
Hi Philippines. Alright. Yan guys, dito na kami sa service station ng China. Nakikita mo yung likod ko. Ganda ng put. Cut the back. Mas ganito kaganda yung service station nila. Tapos yan pala yung service namin. Parang alpha.
Very beautiful.
Yeah, very beautiful.
Level 9 service area.
Okay.
This is this side. Over there is that way.
That way. Ah, alright.
Yeah, opposite. Opposite.
Oh, okay, opposite. Resting area also.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Around every 100 kilometer, there will be a service area
Service
in the
area.
highway.
The Filipinos and Ayan guys, bumili kami ng souvenir namin. We have souvenirs from name.
21元。
Yeah, say hi Philippines.
打招呼，Hello。Hello。
Hello.
So
Hello.
we buy some Lucky Charm.
他在直播的，是他在记录，在记录整个。
Hi guys, yeah, dito kami ngayon sa authentic Chinese noodles. So, kita mo.
那就是都要那同样牛肉面，然后
Egg.
手切肉丁方面。
Noodles.
份手切肉丁汤面，5份
So, Dwight is picking some food. At ito yung food natin. And guys, welcome to our 4th day. Ito yung vlog ko ngayon. Dito kami sa labas namasyal kami, nag-jogging. Nakita ko itong isang park. Nakita nyo. Napakagandang park. Ayan. Yung the temple. So, nakita mo yung mga elderly, yung mga medyo may edad na. Dito sila nag-exercise. Okay? I'll be just... Yan guys, kung sa China, meron silang tawag dito. Yung sa Japan, merong cherry blossom. Dito naman sa China, meron din sila, no? Pero iba yung, hindi naman sa cherry blossom, pero mukhang cherry blossom talaga guys. Ang ganda. Grabe. Nakikita mo yung farm nun. So this is the flowers. Ito yung flower na yon. May kulay white, may kulay violet, may kulay cherry blossom. So, yan po. Makikita niyo. Very nice talaga. Yeah. See? early morning in China. Pag ganito po kada morning sa China, no, makita nyo may mga nagpa-practice, may mga nag-exercise. I don't know how it calls it, Tai Chi or very unique. Napakasarap pakinggan yung sayaw nila. Napakaganda tingnan, no? Gaganda pa ng mga suot nila. It's just parang napaka solemn, and they're very good dancers. So bye. Yan, hi guys. First time kong pumasok sa mall ng China. So ito yung itsura ng mall ng China. Meron mga sale, but titingnan pa natin kung ano. Ito yung mall ng China. Medyo konti lang talaga tao. But we will see kung ano pa meron sa baba at sa taas. Titingnan pa natin. But right now, puro to mga pabango. Natin may Hello Kitty. Yan. Marami pa doon. Let's see. Uy, may relics oh. Ngayon lang ako nakita. Miruin mo may relics sa China. Ayan no. Diba? Oo. Kala ko sa Pinas lang. So, meron din palang relics sa China. Ayan o. Oh. See? Very good relics. Okay? Thank you. Guys, ayan guys, last day na natin ngayon dito sa China. At nandito ako ngayon, namimili ng ating mapapadala sa Pinas. So, titingnan nyo, dito kami. Kami nabili na kami ng shampoo eh. Ayan. So, tapos na kami mamili. Yun yung mga staff dito. So, bait naman. At puro sila friendly, mga Chinese people. Okay? Mamaya, lilipat kami. Takbo na naman kami doon. So, we're going to the other street around para lang makita namin kung ano pa yung pwede mabili. Okay guys? Maya-maya, the hotel. So, hi guys, we're back at the hotel. So, yan. Tumugulo yung buhok ko. Dito na kami sa aming breakfast. Nakita mo. Yan, good morning guys. Welcome to our last day. Last day na natin ngayon dito sa China. And naka-empake na ako. And we have yung maleta. And ito po yung mga Ayan guys, nakabihis na ako. And pabalik na tayo ng airport. Papunta na kami ng airport. Sorry, pabalik. Then magbababay na ako sa China. Flight ko is 2 o'clock pa naman. But we have to go there early as much as possible. Bye-bye guys! So, see you at the airport. Next vlog. Ayan. Ayan guys, welcome again. And we're now, kanina sabi ko sa inyo, flight na kami papunta ng airport. And right now, I'm here in Qingdao. I'm here now in Qingdao Jiadong International Airport. Yan, nakikita nyo. Yan. Qingdao Jiadong International Airport. So, pabalik na ako. We have a flight going to Hong Kong. So, alas 2 pa yung flight ko. Hanap na tayo ng makakainan. Say hi. Philippines. Say hi. Okay?
Hello.
You know how to speak English?
Yes.
Ito?
Yes, but I'm a little bit basic, sorry.
Alright, no problem. Bye-bye. Ayan guys, we're here at McDonald's and tingnan mo yung McDonald's nila, China talaga. And ganito ka, look, 55 yuan. We have piso, meron sila. And we have the flurry of 17. Tapos may 108 sila. I don't know kung ano yung 108 kasama. Dalawa. So 55 yung order ko. Tapos that's their hi friend. Say hi. Yeah, that's good. Ni hao. Sabi niya inihaw daw. Sabi ko hindi, burger. No? So also with my friend, hi. Hello. Say hi Philippines. Hi McDonald's Philippines. Say hi McDonald's Philippines.
你说两句吧。
啊，
他说网红圈，你说两句，
你好。
因为这样他
Hi McDonald's Philippines. McDonald's Philippines.
他是菲律宾的，
Say
跟
hi.
他说一句。
Hi.
Say. Alright guys. So yan na, papasok na tayo sa plane. Yan, nakapag-boarding na tayo. So yan yung China Airlines. Medyo maulan tapos sobrang lamig. Yep. I'll put you on a vlog. This is my say hi Philippines. Yeah, your name?
My name is Cherry.
Cherry.
Yes.
Okay, Cherry. This one, his name?
What is your name?
My name is Cookie. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you
Nice
too.
to meet you. Alright.
What's your name? What's your name?
Terence.
Delish. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Yan guys, 12:25 AM. Dito na ako sa Pinas. Okay.